Greetings, gang. Hey, this video is for those of you who are using Excel to do your software analytic assignments for the class. So those of you guys who are using SPSS, you guys just continue using SPSS. For those of you who are using Excel, this video is for you. So there were a couple of emails that I received this week about how to use the data analysis tools on Excel. For some of you, it looks like they were already it's called an add-in in Excel. They were already kind of selected or turned on, and so it was no problem. But for some of you guys, it wasn't turned on by default. So I'm just going to show you how I turned that on my computer, and maybe yours is the same way. If it's not the same way, send me an email, and maybe you have a different version of Excel or something like that, and I can help you find it. Or if you want to do like a Google search on your own or a YouTube search and figure out how to do it yourself, just remember you're looking for the Data Analysis Toolkit add-in for Excel. That's what Excel calls it. It's an add-in. All right, so let me share my screen with you, and I'll show you how I turned it on for Excel on my computer. Okay, so here's Excel, and you see this blank space over here on the right? This is where you should see the Data Analysis Toolkit so that we can do everything from like the descriptive stats that are pretty easy to get in class anyway. This just makes it even easier. And then also you can do all the inferential types of tests, all the means comparisons tests like the t-test, the ANOVA. You can also do the correlation, the chi-square. So you can do some non-parametric stuff in here too. But it should show up right here where this blank space is. That's what we want to do. So let me show you where I found that on my computer. So for me, if I go into Tools and go down to Tools and then down to Excel add-ins and then click that, and you see these two options you have here. It says Analysis Tool Pack. That's the one we want. So go ahead, just click it, just select it like that, and then hit OK. And there it is, right? And so if you click on the data analysis, it looks like a little, grid, a little sheet from Excel here. Click that, and then you'll see all the things that you can do within this toolkit. I mean, look at everything in here from the ANOVA to correlation, tests of covariance, to descriptive stats, regression, your t-test, your z-test. All that stuff is here for you. And then it should be no problem following along with the videos where I show you how to use the software to do different types of analyses. Okay, well, hey, I hope that was helpful for you. Of course, send me your messages if you have problems, and I can help you out with turning on the data analysis toolkit for you. But I'm particularly interested for those of you who borrowed laptops or Chromebooks from the school. I want to know if you guys can do this for sure. Right, so let me know if it's even an option or it's available to you. We will solve this mystery together, but I need you to give me some feedback on that as soon as you can, right? Okay, happy studying. You guys are doing a great job in the class. Just keep it up, keep the energy levels up. We have this week and next week for material for the class, and then we call this class a wrap for the summer. You guys are doing good work. Just keep it up. All right.